First, create a class speak.java. Extend it with JFrame. Create the constructor. Create the main method. Create width and height variables for our JFrame. Call the setBounds method by passing x, y, width and height arguments. Call the setDefaultClose method. Call the setVisible method. Override the paint method to draw. Set black color for background. Fill the background with FillRet method. Set orange color for cartoon's face. Call FillOval by passing x, y, width and height of the face. Set black color for eyes. Call FillOval twice for the two eyes. See the output. Move the window to right by increasing x of setBounds. Set red color for cartoon's lips. Call FillOval to display the lips. Here is the output. Create a variable to store lips height. Implement the runnable interface. Create the thread object. Start the thread. Override the run method. Create a while loop. Use the try catch exception for pausing the thread. Let the sleep duration be 20 milliseconds. Print the exception. Call the repaint method. Here we will write our logic. So create a counter. If counter mod 25 equals 0, set the lips height to 30. If counter mod 35 equals to 0, then set the lips height to 10. If counter exceeds 10,000, then set it back to 0. Increment the counter. Now let's see the result. Our cartoon is speaking now. In just 2 hours, if you want to learn the complete game development from scratch to end, then hit the link in the description. Here you will know the secrets to develop any small or big game with easy steps. You will also learn the easiest ways to create animations. This knowledge you won't find anywhere else.